Hi everybody, it's your favorite wig maker, Keisha, coming to you from Virgin Hair Outlet. Today I'm going to show you how I styled and installed this unit on my client. If you'd like to see the finished results, keep watching. Here we have our resident wig stylist and makeup artist braiding the client's hair straight back. She will be installing a 16-inch frontal unit with 2 bundles of 18 and 20-inch body wave from the Reserve collection of Virgin Hair Outlet. And we're just trying to get her hair as flat as it can be so the wig looks natural. And now we're just finishing up the braids so that we can install the stocking cap to protect those edges. We do use bowl hold adhesive for our installs. And this is just finishing up and getting that hair laid. And these are the finished results of the install. You can see she's very happy with her look. She did request some highlights be added into this body wave hair to kind of frame her face. And I think the color, she picked a great color. It suits her very well. And you guys don't mind the setup in the back. It is for a photo shoot at our store. We do have an in-store studio that we rent out for special events and photography. And if you're interested in that, you can also contact us for rates. If you're interested in having a unit made for yourself or maybe as a gift for someone else, you can definitely contact us. You can send in your hair or you can purchase your hair directly from us. We do have our 9A Reserve collection on virginhairoutlet.com that is currently on sale. We also offer raw Cambodian, raw Burmese, and raw Indian hair from those origins as well as textures. We also have frontals, closures, 360s available in all of those origins as well. And just to give you guys a reminder of what this wig looked like before styling and before install and after. I hope you enjoy. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.